This is XREXS large digital count up and count down timer. So let's open the box. This is the owner manual, very detailed, very clear. And this is the mounting hose. This is very convenient. For example, if you want to mount it on the wall, so you just drill these two parts. The hole is right here. And this is the bracket. You can stand it up on the table. And here it got all the settings. Let's see what it can do. So first step, they come with the battery, but you know that all the battery are sealed. So you have to remove all the plastic. It's big and clear. I think you can read it like 10 meters away. All right, let's start setup. And we start from here. On the back side, there's the set. We push the button. And now it shows ENG, English. That's the language. The plus or the minus, Germany, Italian, French. And then we go for English. So we push the set again. Now it's the year. We still push the plus button, 2022, and we push the set. Now it's the month, the July. We push set again. It's very easy, just to set. And we just push the plus. Today is the 20th. Okay, I guess it's set again. All right, now it's the time. Here's the AM. Now it goes to PM. I just pushing the plus button. So I push the set, the hour is done. Now we go to minutes. Set again. And now there's another function. We just push the plus button for 2 seconds. Okay, I push it for 2 seconds. So it's month and date only. Temperature only. I prefer this one. They just rotate. I think this better. And then I push set. It's done. There is another button on the back. You can change from the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's see, now it's 29 degrees Celsius. So I push the button, 85 Fahrenheit. Here is alarm set. So if I push this button, it shows alarm 1, and I push set. Now it's off. I push plus, and then I push set, goes to hour, and set again. 6:30 will be better. Just push the plus button. Okay, and set again. Now this is 1E. Actually, they got 3 functions. The 1E means that they're working every day. 2E means that working on Monday to Friday. 3E means only working on weekends. So I guess I go to 2E. And then I push set. And here a big alarm shows on the screen. And let's check the back. Here is a snooze. So if the alarm starts, you push this button, it will stop for 5 minutes and then will ring again. And if you push any other buttons instead of the snooze, it will turn off the alarm. And let's check the last function, which is count up and count down. This is the timer. So the set, plus and minus, you can change the time. Let's start from the set. I probably just go for 1 minute. The minutes is the plus button, and this is the seconds. Seconds is the minus button. So when you push the button set, the timer starts. So now it goes into the countdown mode. Let's see how loud it is. So I push, the timer stops, and I push the snooze again. Let's just keep going. All right. I like this product. It's clear. The number is bold. And you can hang on the wall, or you just place on the table like this. And it shows the time, and it also is a countdown, count up timer, and it's also alarm. there's no noise, you can put it into the bedroom or in the kitchen. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.